This is when you know your DirecTV battery is low. Say for instance, you hit something. Watch how it blinks. See how it blinks about 5 times slow? That means your battery is low, and it even display it at the bottom of the screen sometimes. So if you're having this issue right here, that means the battery is low. How it blinks. So I'm going to replace it and put some new batteries in. Show you the difference. Alright, I got new batteries in it. So check out how it blinks. You see that? This is new batteries. So that lets you know your batteries are good if it does this. When you hit anything on your remote, you see that? So those are good batteries. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.